Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video we're going to teach you step by step how you can make a channel in your Slack workspace private, to keep it private for example, really quickly. So let us get started right away. So head over to Slack, log into your account, select your workspace in the top left corner, and after that take a look at that panel here to the left and select the channel you would like to set private from that menu here. Let me go with that one here. So what you want to do is right click on the given channel and select View Channel Details, and after that make sure that you select the Settings tab here at the top, and here at the bottom you will see an option called Change to a Private Channel. So simply click on it, and after that confirm your decision by clicking on that button here in the bottom right corner, Change to Private. However guys, before you do that, I would recommend to go through that disclaimer here, because privating your channel on Slack comes with some consequences, including, for example, no changes will be made to the channel's history or members. So keep that in mind. And also all files shared in this channel up until this point will be publicly accessible to everyone. However, once you have set that channel to private, files you share through this channel will be privated too and not be available publicly or anymore. So that's totally up to you guys. Once you're ready for takeoff, simply click on Change to Private here to apply these changes, and that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.